actually see the color, how it looks like. Keep in mind that my hair is not toned yet. I actually still have the toner and I'm waiting to apply it after another bleach bath. But right now I've been toning it with the L'Oreal Purple shampoo and I think it's pretty okay. It's okay. I've done my roots obviously, but beside that, there's nothing in my hair. So pretty good for an at-home try. And I'm actually satisfied with the results. I never thought I'd get this blonde and I'm so happy with it. Like, I'm just so happy that I achieved it. You have no idea. And I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. But just know, I'm not perfectly platinum yet. So this is how my hair looks like after I've shampooed my hair 2 times. I was able to get out the purple shampoo that I had on earlier, which basically toned my hair and made it be that white platinum color. So this is how it looks like, untoned. The real raw version, I guess you could call it. And what I wanted to show you guys is how uneven my hair is. There are areas that are more orange in between the yellow, and you can tell over here as well. I have lots of areas that just weren't bleached as much as the rest. And because of that, it doesn't look that even. And I'm not that happy about it because I want it to look nice and one color, basically. So what I want to do is give my hair a bleach bath. I know you're thinking, whoa, you're crazy, you're gonna give another one, but no, I'm not that crazy. I guess because those areas that didn't pick up enough bleach I feel could use a little bit more. I don't want to give my hair an entire bleach bath because I know my hair can't take it at this point because it's just, you know, it's been through so much. And also beware, if you are bleaching your hair, you might have breakage, and I know a lot of people just automatically think that your hair falls out from the top. No, that doesn't really happen. Maybe it might happen to some, but personally, I noticed breakage on my ends. And I actually cut my hair about a month ago, where you can, if you want to see it, you can see it in a video where I reviewed a toner. And in that video, I had just cut my hair straight across, and it was nice and straight. And now I look kind of like I have layers over here, you can tell. And over here. And I especially noticed with the front parts, it kind of just shortened. I mean, the ends that were the most fragile, they just kind of snapped off. But I have tried to prevent that, so I've done my best, and this still happened. And if you don't want this to happen at all, just know that it can. I really don't mind because I just want my hair to be nice and blonde, and I'm happy that I'm able to get there. But, you know, it can happen, and kind of looks weird. And I also want to dye my hair after the bleach bath, so I hope my hair can take it. I'm praying it can, because I want to give my hair that beautiful platinum color with the hair dye. So this is my setup. I have a little table with everything on it, and I have that on a garbage bag. I just use it because it's easier to clean that way if the bleach falls down over here. And this is what I have on. So I have my developer, this is my 30 volume developer, I have my bleach, I have my little bowl and painting brushes, and I also have 2 conditioners over here because we're going to do a bleach bath, and I know you usually do it with shampoo, but I feel like this might be a little more hydrating, and then I'll show you guys the rest. I wanted to show you guys this aspect because I realized maybe some of you guys don't think of certain aspects when it comes to safety. And if you're gonna be bleaching your hair at home, it's very, very important to keep yourself safe because I've had little mishaps here and there and they weren't that pleasant. So I really want you guys to be protected. The first thing I do is always put a towel on, and I like to keep it up to here, like all the way up the nape of my neck, so it covers it perfectly. And then I go all the way to the front. Then I will be taking a little clip like this because I feel like this really holds it in very sturdy. If you guys are wondering why my hair is like this right now, in a bun and very oily, that's because I use coconut oil on it and I put it in a bun and I slept overnight with it, and I do this before every single bleach bath. I learned this after 4 bleaches, and the thing I noticed was my hair was so much softer after bleaching if I did this as opposed to not using any at all. And I know Brad Mondo did say that it doesn't do anything, but me personally, I've noticed a significant difference when using, so I think I'm gonna keep doing it. My next step in protecting myself is taking a garbage bag like this, and what I'm gonna do is take a little scissors, and with the scissors, I'm gonna just cut it in half. Sorry guys, but I actually thought I pressed record. I just noticed I didn't because, wow, I'm just not very attentive. I just cut it, you know, down the middle, And then I also cut the top parts that were like this, because it's all bunched up together like this, and I just want to make sure to cut everything so that it's all flat like this. And basically I'm going to use this as like a little cape moment, you know, like at the hair salon, because I don't have those fancy little plastic capes, but if you have that in your bougie, just use that. I should invest in that, but I just don't feel like cleaning it because I'm pretty lazy when it comes to that, so I'd rather just throw this out, you know what I mean? And what I like to do to make sure my trash bag doesn't go flying everywhere is, first of all, I make sure my hair is over it, like with the towel, and then I go to the front and I just clip it with a metallic little clip, like that, and we're all set. Now, another safety aspect that I want to go over is the fact that I actually use goggles. I know you might think it's crazy that why would you use goggles, but one time when I was bleaching my roots, I got a little bit on my eyelash and it kind of went in my eye and it was burning, and bleach can actually cause severe damage to your eyes, so please just be careful. So basically I just take my little goggles. I know I look crazy, I look like I'm some mad scientist. Like if I would see myself, I would just laugh so much. But basically, I just do this because, you know, your safety is more important. I can't take myself seriously with this. But your safety is way more important than how you look when it comes to bleaching. So I just keep this on, and usually when my fiance does my roots or a bleach bath, I just take this and put it down like that so he can just work everywhere. And I usually will keep it in place or hold it like this and just make sure that none of the bleach gets in my eye. So that's very important. I feel like no one does that, and I know it's annoying to do because you have to hold it on your eyes. If you have glasses like made out of this plastic material, that could work as well. I just don't have any on hand. So last but not least, the most important aspect of safety is, can you guess? Gloves. Gloves. Please wear gloves. Like whoever's doing your hair, or even if you're touching it up, please, I beg of you, wear gloves because it will burn your hands. And the reason why I'm showing you guys these gloves, these are like the house cleaning gloves, the ones that are more durable. They're thick. These ones have been used, that's why they're a little colored, because I use them for bleaching. But basically they're thick and they're longer, so they'll go on your hand up to here. And the reason why I started using these was because the other gloves wouldn't protect my skin enough. Basically, if I had some bleach and it would get on the plastic, it wouldn't necessarily seep through, but my skin was still irritated and it would be red and kind of burnt. It's weird, maybe I'm just more sensitive, but just to protect your skin, wear these ones if you are going to buy gloves, just because there is no need to bleach your hands. So I really say go and get yourself cleaning gloves and just use these ones because they're so much better, trust me. So this is my hair 3 days after the bleach bath. This is how it looks like. Obviously now it's finally at the stage where I can tone it because it looks like the interior of a banana, and even the ends are really nice and bright, which I'm really happy about. Also, just a side note that it was super fried after I took out the bleach bath. So this is how my hair looks like the day after I did my roots. My hair right now is super fried and dead and just gross. It just looks so dead, like watch. What? The reason why it looks like this right now is because I didn't do my routine, and I didn't because I read online that if you use a mask or conditioner or any treatment you usually would on top of your hair, it lays there and kind of makes it harder for the hair dye to enter. So for that sole reason I didn't. I really want the hair color to turn out, you know, the way it's meant to, so I'm hoping it turns out nicely on my hair and that my hair is lightened enough. And I'm actually testing this Color Sting Matrix one because I heard that it has 2 times more ceramides and oils and everything amazing, and it makes your hair shiny. So we're gonna be testing that out today. Guys, so this is my hair the second day, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm very disappointed because my hair is actually darker than it used to be. It used to be platinum blonde. In this clip over here, I actually just toned my hair with L'Oreal Purple shampoo, and that's it. I didn't have anything else in my hair, and my hair looks so much whiter. And this was before the bleach bath, believe it or not. But I thought it would just look way better if I give my hair a bleach bath and then tone it. And that was the plan, you know, that was the plan. And I wanted to use the Blonde Me toner that I bought, like I said in the first clip in part 1, but no. Because that toner is supposed to go over freshly bleached hair, and if it's light enough, it'll get that beautiful platinum white. Because the shade was TI, so it would look beautiful and icy and platinum. But I didn't want to use that because it has ammonia. And if you don't know, ammonia basically just dries your hair out and kind of, you know, damages it a little bit. And since my hair was so damaged and dry already, I didn't want to risk it and have it look even worse. So I thought, you know what, I'll just do that another time and do a review on that. And I purchased the Matrix Color Sink in the shade 10V, and 10V looks like this. And when I went in the store to see the little sample, you know, that they have the hair, this was the lightest one. It looked very platinum blonde. It looked very icy and gorgeous, and I just fell in love with it right away. And I was like, yes, you know what? I love it. It's ammonia free. It says online that it kind of fills in the hair where it's porous, so I was excited about that. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have a beautiful color, and I'm gonna make my hair look nice and be platinum, that key being that it is platinum. And well, this is how it turned out. Way darker than I expected. Maybe it's my fault a little bit just because I did leave it on longer. I left it on for 10 minutes more. So it said leave it on for 20 minutes, and after application I left it on for 30 minutes. You know, my hair was so yellow that I thought, you know, I really needed to tone everything and make it look nice. So why not leave it on longer? Lesson, don't leave it on longer. And maybe it's just not the right color, because when I was showering, it was super purple, dark gray-ish, and I was kind of surprised because I didn't expect it to be that dark. So I looked at the ends and I kept trying to, you know, make the color get off, and I kept doing this. And I think I just took the color off. I don't know if it's picking up on screen right now, but in real life it looks pretty yellow, like it has that yellowish tint, and I'm really not a fan of that because I was trying to get rid of the yellow, you know. But you know what? I am not gonna give up. I promise you guys platinum blonde hair, and I'm gonna deliver on that. I'm gonna test other dyes. I want to find the right dye for your hair and try different shampoos. Basically, I want to get that beautiful platinum color that I've always dreamed of, and I will keep going and I will keep searching and I will keep testing until I find it. And you know, moral of the story is that sometimes a purple shampoo from the drugstore will make you more platinum than a hair dye. But at the end of the day, I'm happy that my hair does look pretty healthy. I mean, it's still like not the healthiest it's ever been, but it looks healthy and it feels healthy. I feel like the hair dye really strengthened my hair, and I use a little secret ingredient. You guys will see that in the hair care routine because it really does work wonders. So, and it's cheap. That will be coming up because if you have extremely dry hair, I can help you out with that.